The Rasor DD120DT is a three-phase cutting unit for textile, technical fabrics, and composite material. Thanks to the double carbide counterblade, the DD120DT is able to cut on both directions through an inverter. This peculiarity allows it to save one run and so time in crosscut process. A toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The flange is designed for an easy installation in O.E.M systems. A three-phases heavy-duty industrial motor in combination with DirectDrive system converts the machine in a high-speed cutting device. The machine cuts textiles, technical textiles, composite materials, and natural fibers accurate and fast. The DD120DT has no coupling gear, which means no maintenance, reducing therefore also the operation cost while using during the non-stop 24-hour-a-day production processes. The knife can reach a speed of 2600 RPM, so this tool comes perfect for the high-speed, no-stop cutting process. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes, as well as for cross-cutting. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor DD120DT into an universal three-phases cutting solution in any high-speed O.E.M application. The delivery contains the DD120DT, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Contact us for further information.